OnePlus is back, and it's going big with the OnePlus 12. Today, we're diving deep into the flagship's features, innovations, and everything you need to know about this powerhouse. Design and build. Starting with design, the OnePlus 12 refines what we loved about its predecessors. We've got a premium glass and aluminum body, and for color options, there's insert color options like matte black, silver, or a new color if applicable. The camera module has been slightly redesigned, giving it a sleek, modern look. Display. OnePlus has amped up the display game with a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED screen. We're talking a crisp Quad HD Plus resolution, a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness that makes outdoor visibility a breeze. Performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This means faster load times, smoother multitasking, and enhanced power efficiency. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, the OnePlus 12 is ready to tackle everything from intense gaming to heavy multitasking without a hitch. Camera system, triple lens setup. Now let's talk about the cameras. OnePlus 12 features a triple lens setup. The main camera is a 50MP sensor that delivers outstanding detail and color accuracy. There's also a 50MP ultra-wide lens for capturing more in a single frame, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens for zoomed-in shots. Battery and charging. Battery life has always been a strong point for OnePlus, and the OnePlus 12 is no exception. With a 400 mAh battery, it comfortably lasts a full day, even with heavy use. And with 100 watts Super VOOC charging, you're looking at a 0 to 100% charge in under 25 minutes. There's also 50 watts wireless charging for added convenience. Software and features. Out of the box, the OnePlus 12 runs OxygenOS 14 based on Android 14, delivering a clean, fast, and user-focused experience. There are also new customization features, an AI assistant, and improved privacy settings to keep your data safe. Final thoughts. The OnePlus 12 is a serious contender in the flagship market. It's a device that nails performance, display quality, and charging speed, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade to a powerful, feature-packed smartphone. But what do you think? Would you go for the OnePlus 12? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Catch you in the next video.